Welcome to my channel. Linksys Velop Micro Router 6 Setup. Ethernet cable, optional for wired backhaul or direct connection to the modem. Download the Linksys app on your smartphone or tablet. Create a Linksys account or login if you already have one. Plug the Velop Micro Router 6 into a power outlet. If you're connecting to a modem, use the Ethernet cable to connect the router to the modem's WAN internet port. Wait for the LED on the Velop to blink blue, indicating it's ready for setup. Tap Set up a new Wi-Fi network. Name your Wi-Fi network, SSID. Set a Wi-Fi password. Plug in additional Velop nodes around your home for better coverage. No internet connection. Ensure the router is properly connected to the modem. Node not connecting. Move the node closer to the primary router during setup. Thanks for watching.